Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing reverse crunches with a twist. So when we do these, we're going to start with our upper body on the ground, and our hands are going to be by our sides or possibly tucked under our hips. We will begin by extending our legs out, keeping our lower back glued to the floor. Bring the knees back in. As they come up, we are going to twist. So twist, getting a little bit of oblique in there too. So again, out, in, up with a twist. We can also modify these by just simply up with a twist.